Welcome back to Old Studio Car, your home for timeless classics and legendary rides. Today, we're diving into the muscle car that helped define an era, the 1966 Pontiac GTO. This isn't just a car, it's an icon of American horsepower, and in this video, we'll break down everything from its exterior charm to its thrilling performance, including speed, fuel average, and even the updated price range for collectors today. The 1966 Pontiac GTO marked a major year in the car's evolution. It was the first year the GTO was officially recognized as a separate model, rather than a trim package for the Pontiac Tempest. That decision alone set the tone for what was to come. The 66 GTO showcased a more aggressive stance with sharper body lines and a more muscular profile. Pontiac redesigned the front end to feature stacked quad headlamps and a split grille, giving it a more commanding and menacing look on the road. The sculpted body panels and flared wheel arches made the car look fast even when parked. It carried a clean, bold design language that was miles ahead of many competitors in the mid-60s. Chrome bumpers, hood scoops, and rally wheels added to its visual appeal. The optional hood-mounted tachometer was not just a performance tool but also a signature styling touch. Available in a range of high-impact colors, the 1966 GTO gave owners plenty of ways to make a bold statement, from Montero red to tiger gold. Whether in hardtop, convertible, or post-coupe, the GTO had presence, loud, proud, and pure Detroit steel. Under the hood, the 1966 GTO delivered serious performance. The standard engine was a 389 cubic inch V8, producing 335 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor. But if that wasn't enough, buyers could upgrade to the Tri-Power setup. That's 3 2-barrel carburetors, boosting output to 360 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 2-speed automatic transmission, this beast could roar to life at a moment's notice. The GTO's 0 to 60 miles per hour time was clocked at around 6.5 seconds, which was blistering in the 1960s and still impressive by modern standards. Maximum speed. The 66 GTO could hit approximately 120 to 125 miles per hour depending on the configuration and condition. With the proper tuning and gearing, it could push even higher. It wasn't just about straight-line speed though. The car handled surprisingly well for its size, especially with the optional heavy-duty suspension package. Steering was responsive, and braking, though basic by today's standards, was solid for its time. Fuel economy. Well, this is where things get a little nostalgic. With the standard 389 V8 and a 4-barrel carburetor, the GTO averaged around 10 to 13 miles per gallon. The Tri-Power version was even thirstier, often dipping below 10 mpg with spirited driving. But let's be honest, no one bought a GTO in the 60s for fuel savings. They bought it to feel the rumble of raw power and to own the streets. Now let's talk numbers in today's market. The value of a 1966 Pontiac GTO has appreciated significantly over the years. A well-maintained base model might start at around $45,000, while fully restored, matching numbers versions can easily exceed $75,000 or more. Tri-Power convertibles in concours condition can command prices north of $100,000. Rarity, originality, and condition play major roles in determining the value. Collectors pay a premium for factory options like the 4-speed transmission, hood tack, and rally gauges. Despite being nearly 6 decades old, the 1966 GTO remains a dream car for many muscle car enthusiasts. Its bold styling, thunderous performance, and cultural impact make it a true American legend. It wasn't just Pontiac's finest hour, it helped ignite the muscle car era itself. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering this legend, the 66 GTO stands as a symbol of when American cars ruled the road with unapologetic power and style. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic muscle cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride back in time.